Okay, everyone, we are on item 9. Draw a box right there. And item 9, there's not a page number at the bottom at this time, but it's the second page. It starts with the cold wind blew. Let's just write down our tricky prepositions of, for, with, and draw a box around it. Of, for, with, they are tricky prepositions. Don't forget, on or near. Woo! The cold wind blew with much power. With is a preposition. Squiggle it just a little bit. Beautiful. A ball of fluff fell on the floor. Where did it fall? It fell on the floor. First word's a preposition. Last word's a noun. Anything in the middle is an adjective. Don't forget your arrow. Mr. Jones ate the box of candy. Of is a tricky preposition. Of what? Of candy. That one's easy. Number 4. Mary drove with her brother to the park. I see with. With what or with whom? With her brother. Keep it going. And to is a preposition. To what? To the park. First word's a preposition. Last word's a noun. Anything in the middle is an adjective. Don't forget your arrow. Okay? So to show us that you did your homework, you will have of, for, with up here with a box around it. You will have item 9 with a box around it. And then let's do a box around 5 and 6, which you have to do right now. All right, that was a fast video. Have a good night. Don't forget to do your reading homework.